I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
My channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. I'm an English mum of 3 and I do homeschooling. I've currently just finished studying not long ago. I make videos on some hauls, on family vlogs, cooking and all sorts of different types of things, but at the moment I am doing, I suppose you could call it a little series on moving, packing and downsizing. So in my last video you will have seen that I did the kids, I suppose you could call it like playroom, sorted all that out. I don't know whether I will have put any more videos on before I do this one because I've got so much footage that I've got to go on. So I really hope that you're liking these types of videos, and if you are, then please leave me a comment down below and give me some suggestions on any other type of videos that you'd like me to make. So I have a latte in here and I'm hoping that this will wake me up a bit because the baby's been awake still for the last few nights. And I've got my But Mum Life t-shirt on. If you've not seen the video where I talk about this haul that I got from the lovely Alcina from, I can't get my words out, the lovely Alcina from But First Mum Life and her business channel Bossina, then please check that out. There's a little, should be a little card here for you to have a look, and I'll link it down below as well. So at this moment in time I'm going to be drinking this and I'm going to be washing the dishes. I don't have a dishwasher. I would actually love a dishwasher. So my kitchen's a hot mess right now, but hey ho. What's wrong with her?
I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stolen my heart away. There can't be no other. Baby, I don't even bother whatever they have to say. My heart's already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you, that you will turn and walk away. Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me, so come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. I never thought I'd feel this way.
Hi Micah. Good boy. Who's that? Who's that? Hey Micah. Say hi. You say hi. Good boy. You're saying hi to everybody. Good boy. Say hi. Say hi. Mwah. So that is all done and dusted. Got a wash on now. And kitchen's not looking bad. I have told you that I emptied my cupboards, cleaned them out. That's all clean now. So we need to sort out all of this stuff here, don't we?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna.
Twist this stick.
Well, are these all full in here then, Eva?
Yeah. No. No. No, Mama. They're not full. They made more things in here. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna have to leave some of the things out what we're using now. So we're gonna leave that out.
Mummy.
These are finished then, Eva.
Mummy.
Yeah.
Can we use the ice cream cone for tomorrow's pudding? Mama, these are empty things. Oh my word, Mama. It's not a chocolate. Mama, it smells of oatmeal actually. It smells of stinky oatmeal. There's not enough food now.
Okay, you leave that there then.
That's enough now.
Still got loads to do.
Come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. It's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way.
I think I told you that the house was furnished when we moved in. Oops, sorry. So some of the stuff in here is not ours. Same with this. So I cleaned all this out. And then I've got to sort out my coffee station. And then yeah, we've got a couple of things in there that I need to just take out, and then this cupboard. So obviously because we're still using the kitchen, I can't really do all of it, but I sorted all this out. You wouldn't have seen this. So this is kind of where all the rugby boots and barbecue stuff go. So let me just grab my drink. And so we've got all this to sort out. That's all the sports equipment. And the kids' bikes. Micah, come on. Come on. Oops. And then I told you in my last video that I've been packing all the boxes. The kids have been bouncing on them and stuff, so I need to sort these out now. That's what I'm going to do now, actually.
I'm standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, but my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting. I'm on fire. You got me waiting.
So I think that's a little bit tidier for now. And then we'll go and do the rest of the house.